Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be basically restoring some rusty shovels. I'm going to make them look like brand new or even better. Here is just an example. Here is an edger that I just redid. It was super rusty. We'll go ahead and insert a picture after this, but yeah, I'm going to basically show you step by step what to do and how you can get your shovels looking brand new. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you all the items that you will be needing. So first, you obviously need your PPE, some safety glasses, gloves in case anything happens, and then some hearing protection because it will get loud after a while. The next thing you will need, or what I will be using, is an angle grinder with a knotted wire cup attachment. This will be for removing the rust. The next thing is a Dremel, which I will be using with a polisher attachment right now, and then I will be attaching a sharpening piece. After that, we will be using a boiled linseed oil to coat it to prevent any rust. But I think this piece was probably around $25. I'm not sure how much our angle grinder is. You can find some cheap ones along with the Dremel. And then we bought a Dremel kit, and it will have all the pieces that you will need. Overall, not very expensive, especially for a homeowner if you're wanting to get your tools back into good shape. So let's go ahead. I will be going over the steps. So first we're going to remove the rust, then we will be sharpening them, polishing it, and then putting the linseed oil on it. Okay, so first this is the shovel we are going to be using. Obviously it's had some work done, but we're going to get it back into shape. So let's go ahead and start. First we'll go ahead and remove the rust. Alright guys, I got the rust all removed from the shovel, or at least mainly, but it looks so much better. I'm not entering this into a contest, just like I'm sure none of you are with your tools, so as long as it looks better, that is all that matters. But right now, we're going to go ahead and sharpen this edge. I'm going to use the Dremel. I put the attachment on it already. We're going to go ahead and put this in high. If you put it in low, you won't get a good clean cut. So let's go ahead and sharpen this. Okay guys, we got that sharpened. It does not need to be razor sharp. That is not good. So just as long as it is sharper than before, that's all that matters. But now we have this little polishing attachment. We'll go ahead, I'll switch it onto the Dremel, and then we'll polish it all up before we put the linseed oil on it. Alright guys, I got it all polished. I don't know if you can tell how shiny it is, but it is super shiny compared to it was, and it is so smooth. If you could feel this compared to what it was earlier, it is so much different. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and get our boiled linseed oil. You can find this at Lowe's, probably in the paint section. It is mainly used for wood, furniture, that thing, but you can use it for garden and farm equipment to prevent the rust. So that's what we're going to do now. I have just a little cloth. I'm going to spread it on the whole thing and make it more shiny and prevent rust while we're at it. Alright, there you go everyone. That is how you get a shovel looking back to how it should. This should help prevent rust a lot better than without it, and yeah, it'll be able to be used a lot better. This is such an old shovel, so now we can keep it going longer. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you guys out. If you have some old rusty tools, go get them back to shape. Super easy and not very expensive. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we will catch you guys in the next one.